Hi, in this video we will learn how to program ENE SIOIC through our successor programmer. So first of all we will connect ground connection from motherboard to successor. After that we will connect another connection, that is successor to our PC. When we connect with the PC, programmer will flash the light. It means the programmer is connected. As you can see the flashing light. The successor programmer is connected with our PC. Now we will open the software in our PC. Let's start. Select mode, select ITENE option and ENE. After that select part number of your motherboard, the motherboard part number. This is the settings, we will apply that. After that connect the adapter and again come to the screen. Here select your strip, close it and get ECID. After that we will click on the read. Now this will read, and after that we will save the file. Here you select your location and save your dump file. Rename the file accordingly. And save it. After that we will load file that we have to write in the chip. So we will select our downloaded file, open, and after that click write. Yes, this procedure is finished. So after that we will remove adapter and the strip. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.